Hi everyone, Mr. Hagelin here with a Google Classroom overview for you for the E-Block and HJK Block Literary History of Oppression classes. Now, if you've seen English 11, maybe English 9, the videos are pretty similar as the Google Classrooms are set up pretty similarly. So you might get away without having to watch this one, but it's pretty short, so I do suggest you take a watch or a look anyway. As mentioned in some of the other videos, again, if you've seen those, I don't think there's any big differences between the teacher view, which I'm currently in, and the student view. So I do apologize if there are some minor differences, but it should basically look the same. Additionally, this is still pretty early on in the Google Classroom's development. There's going to be a lot more to come, obviously, especially assignments and other information, but this is just a quick snapshot of what to expect. And I'm also hoping that as we go through the year, you'll all be willing to provide some feedback about what's working and what's not working, so I can make adjustments to better suit your learning styles or needs. With that said, this is the stream page, which will essentially house announcements that are either sort of static or unique throughout the year. Really just a good place for me to communicate things to you that you might need to know. Again, as regards the class, assignments, the school, maybe grade deadlines for report cards, things closing such as that as we go throughout the year. So this would be a good place just to check to get some general information. The classwork tab is where you'll find all of the actual work that will be expected. We'll have classroom materials and videos like this one published here. Any reading materials, so audio files or short stories, articles, etc. that relate to the class will be located here. We will be using novels primarily, so the e-versions of those, the assignments that go with each chapter for the books that we'll be reading, and then any additional essay prompts or writing prompts will be located down below. Additionally, we'll have our class list here. And there's a grading feature that I'm not sure how much I'll be using within Google Classroom. I'll primarily be grading your assignments and entering those into the Plus portals, which we went over in the remote learning orientation video, how to access those. So while we may use this, my suggestion would be to check with me or to check your Plus portals directly for individual grades on assignments as well as your overall grades for each trimester. So again, if you have any questions as we go through, as things come up, if there are suggestions or ideas that you have about the Google Classroom and how we can set it up better or differently, don't hesitate to let me know. I look forward to working with everyone this year, and I hope you have a great year. Good luck.